Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency staking and how you can make passive income with it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest in crypto and finance. Scene 1: Introduction to Staking. First things first, what is cryptocurrency staking? In simple terms, staking is the process of holding and locking up your crypto assets in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of additional cryptocurrency. Think of it as earning interest on a savings account, but potentially much more lucrative. Scene 2: How staking works. Let's break down how staking works. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially participating in the network's consensus mechanism. For most proof of stake POs and delegated proof of stake DPoS blockchains, staking is vital for validating transactions and securing the network. The more coins you stake, the higher your chances of being selected to validate transactions and earn rewards. Animated graphics explaining POs and DPoS mechanisms. Unlike mining, which requires significant computational power, staking is much more energy efficient. You don't need expensive hardware or massive amounts of electricity, just your crypto and a wallet that supports staking. Scene 3: Choosing the right cryptocurrency for staking. Now, not all cryptocurrencies can be staked. Some of the most popular ones include Ethereum 2.0, Cardano ADA, Polkadot, and Tezos XTZ. It's crucial to do your research and choose a cryptocurrency that aligns with your investment goals. Logos and market stats of popular staking cryptos. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its own staking requirements and reward systems. For example, Ethereum 2.0 requires a minimum of 32 ETH to become a validator, whereas Cardano allows you to delegate any amount of ADA to a staking pool. Scene 4: Setting up for staking. So how do you get started with staking? Here are the steps you need to follow. Choose a staking wallet. You'll need a wallet that supports staking for your chosen cryptocurrency. Popular options include Ledger, Trezor, and software wallets like Atomic Wallet and Trust Wallet. Transfer your coins from an exchange to your staking wallet. Ensure you have enough coins to meet the minimum staking requirements. Select a staking pool. While you can stake independently, joining a staking pool increases your chances of earning rewards. Research and select a reliable pool with a good track record. Start staking. Follow the wallet's instructions to delegate your coins to the staking pool. Once staked, your coins will be locked for a certain period, depending on the cryptocurrency's protocol. Step-by-step animation of setting up a staking wallet. It's as simple as that. Now, you just sit back and let your staked coins earn you passive income. Scene 5: Staking rewards and risks. Staking rewards vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the staking pool you choose. On average, you can expect annual yields ranging from 5% to 20%. However, it's important to note that staking also comes with risks. These include price volatility and potential loss of staked coins if the network is compromised, and liquidity risks as your coins are locked for a specific period. Graphs showing potential rewards and risks. To mitigate these risks, diversify your staked assets and choose reputable staking pools. Also, stay informed about the cryptocurrency market and any updates to the blockchain networks you're involved in. Scene 6: Real-life examples and success stories. To give you some real-life perspective, many investors have successfully earned passive income through staking. For instance, early adopters of Tezos XTZ have seen substantial rewards, with some earning significant returns over the years. Testimonials and case studies. These success stories show that with the right strategy and due diligence, staking can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Host holding a smartphone. Host Step 2: Set up a staking wallet. You'll need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports staking for the specific coin you've chosen. Make sure to choose a reputable wallet with robust security features to protect your funds. Animation showing the staking process within a wallet. Host voiceover. Step 3: Deposit your coins into the staking wallet and initiate the staking process. The exact steps may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and wallet you're using, but typically, you'll need to transfer your coins to a staking address and follow the instructions provided by the wallet. Host with a laptop. Step 4: Monitor your staking rewards. Once you've staked your coins, you'll start earning rewards over time. These rewards will accumulate in your staking wallet, and you can choose to reinvest them, compound your earnings, or cash them out, depending on your preferences. Cut to host wrapping up. Host, and there you have it, folks. That's a beginner's guide to making passive income with cryptocurrency staking. Remember to do your own research, stay informed about market trends, and always invest responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy staking. Scene 7 final tips and conclusion. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. Always do thorough research before staking your assets. Keep your staking wallet secure and use hardware wallets for added security. Regularly check on your staked assets and the performance of your staking pool. Staking is a fantastic opportunity to make your crypto work for you, but it's essential to stay informed and cautious. That's all for today's video on making passive income with cryptocurrency staking. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and strategies. If you have any questions or want to share your staking experiences, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy staking.